Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rondo Teach. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this super tasty blondie cake. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Alright, let's check out on our ingredients. Here we need 2 eggs, 160 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of melted butter, and also you can add pretty much any kind of nuts to your blondie, if you like. Here we've used some chopped walnuts. But between you and me, I'm not a big fan of nuts in cake. You know, it's kinda feels like a waste, doesn't it? 200 grams of flour. Hey, now is the exciting part. We've got some chocolate chips, and I seriously recommend adding them. Well, you know, I'm a total chocolate lover, so trust me, this step is a must. At first, whisk together the eggs, brown sugar, and your vanilla. Whip it up until it gets lighter in color and the texture is nice and fluffy, just like you see in the video. Next, pour in your melted butter and mix it really well. I recommend mixing it for around 6 or 7 minutes to get that buttery magic fully blended. Once that's done, set the bowl aside. In a separate bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, and salt. Now it's time to add our flour mixture. Hey, do it in stages, not all at once. Take your time with this part and make sure everything's well combined. Once the flour is fully mixed in, it's chocolate chip time. Add your chocolate chips and give it a gentle stir so they are nicely spread throughout the batter. And that's it. We are ready to pour the batter into our baking pan. Here we are using a 20 cm round pan for this blondie. Spread the batter evenly in your pan. Make sure it's nice and smooth all the way to the edges. Now we are going to add our chopped walnuts on top. And as I said earlier, it's optional. We are also adding a few extra chocolate chips on top, because why not? And that's it. It's ready to go into the oven. Set your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Make sure to preheat the oven before baking. The cake will need about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven, so keep an eye on it near the end. Wow, look at this beautiful blondie. Now, I guess you can enjoy it with a cup of coffee or tea, I don't know, whatever you like. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you can notify when we post another video. See you soon!